All right. Hey, everyone. So in this third section, we are going to put together everything that Erin has shown us to dig into the academic research process. We are going to brainstorm our topic further based on how our research develops and work up to the advanced search as well as other tools to get the most relevant results. So we're going to head on over to the library website now and take a look. We know our general topic. We know that it is community gardens in Baltimore, so let's just start out with a very basic search, just that, and see what comes up. Perfect. Okay, this first result actually seems super relevant, so let's take a look at that. Okay, seems like something that I could save for later just based on the title alone. Maybe get some background information on. Something that's important along with the whole entire article will be these keywords, because that's going to help me expand my search but also refine it to this topic at the same time. So I've taken all of these items that I wanted to take that felt relevant to me, and then I put them in that Google Doc. So far these are the keywords that we have. I'm going to go ahead and search all of them now. Let's head to the advanced search to break this down. So I really want my research to be focused on soil contamination. That's why I have it in the search. And since it's important for me to find articles that mention Baltimore and community gardens and soil contamination, I have to put those in separate boxes. So let's do that so that all of these different variables are searched. Our related terms from earlier can still be incorporated with the word "or" between them so that we can cast a wider net as we find much more relevant results. This will basically search anything that has, urban agriculture in it, or if it happens to call it something like urban farm, then we can get that too, and we'll still get relevant research. So let's see. That's a lot. It's a lot, but it's all going to mention all three of these things. As we go down, we're seeing the same issue of Baltimore not being a focal point, even though we have these much more related articles, technically much more related. So now something that you can focus on is we might have Baltimore mentioned once in an article, and then we're finding that article as a result. So if I really want Baltimore to be the focus, I'm going to find that in the title, and let's see how that does. Okay, so we have 16. It's not much, but we know it's going to be related. The same kind of problem happens, though, when we want to make sure that we have something more relevant, because this feature on the side allows you to search for things in a specific range. And our professors a lot of the time will require not only academic journal articles, which we want to make sure we have checked off, but they will also look for peer-reviewed articles. So that's something that kind of narrows your research even further. While we only have 5 results, we can still expand from there, just like we have by finding similar terms. So if I were to just say soil, in case somebody isn't using the word contamination specifically, maybe that will increase the results. And yeah, it does a little bit. So these are just little things that we can try. Now, let's say of the very few things that we are finding in these results, I'm seeing this and I'm like, okay, I really want to look at this article. It looks like a dead end, but it's actually not. So the order through ILL option means that UMBC doesn't have access to this article, but another Maryland institution does. You can request it through ILL, or interlibrary loan is what it's called, for them to get the copyright clearance and send it via PDF. You'll have an account. I'll just show you basically what it looks like. You set one up the first time you do a request, and then you're good to go. This is pre-filled out for you. You just kind of fill out one little thing. You submit the request. Usually it comes within 1 to 2 business days. It's very quick. So I definitely recommend using that resource. And that's it for this video.